na empanyin si edwunso gu fa ko etwa huru nchi ebre no so dane no na won so wo dane ho na ne mpanimfo aye nsakyerɛ kakra bia wo nwomesua ni mu a ye pese ne wo mudi nkomo kakra ebretie mu na afi yetumi akoye ni mene obimfo mu okunyini Jonathan Fletcher na afi Nhyira Henry ose boache enso ewo ha boaten ewo ha odi bogu homa mesa aha na Nhyira eye boache na edikan boaten na edikan abeduru ha aha nti yene na bedikan atwetwe nkomo na afi yahwe sede ehun nsem esi etie nhyehyɛ ya wo mo aye ewo eye sa jumadi ni mu Nhyira boaten good morning.
Good morning.
Bibi aboko de.
Me pacho boko.
De twedi ampon ase. Na mnim se prof abeduru ha. Onye medri right. Okay. Na mami misao. Curriculum National Council for Curriculum Assessment. Edumeku no. Anase eku no, eku bɛn.
Yo medase. Naka sani esi etwa no short no aye dwumakuo bi a ɔman no ɛde adwuma ahyɛ wɔn nsa sɛ wɔn nhwɛ nneɛma a nkwalaa no ɛwɔ sɛ ɔman no ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmusua no na wɔn fa ngu akwan mu ɛma akyerɛkyerɛfoɔ sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ a yɛbɛtumi akyerɛ na botaya esi ɔman n'ani so a efi sɛ yɛde ɛtete yɛ mmɔfra no a ɛyɛyɛ no yɛayɛ no saa nti ɔmo no ɛna brɔfo mu no yɛbɛka sɛ ɔmo na develop curriculum no ɛma genius implementing
right
nti ɔmo adwuma a ɔmo ɛyɛ no no
okay na mpatwa wo yɛ de ewu
me wo genius
okay
as the Ashanti Regional PRO for
okay.
Ghana Education Service.
Ghana Education Service, right? Odi mpatwa boto mama na me
from me Henry Osei Boating.
All right. Enti so far yate sem wa yɛ nsakyerɛyɛ bi a mode ba san nsakyerɛyɛ no ɛka nwomesua ni nyinaa anase ɛwɔ baabi a mo ayɛ san nsakyerɛyɛ nafa
nsakyerɛyɛ na aba no ɛyɛ basic schools ɛna senior high school, senior high technical ɛna STEM.
okay.
Saa curriculum we no TVET for ɛnka ho ɔmo de ɛnko.
Oh okay.
Nti we no ɛyɛ basic school for ɛyɛ KG to JHS 3. Ɛna senior high school, senior high technical and STEM.
Okay.
Nti ɔmo na curriculum no ɛyɛ for ɔmo. But says here no on say yadi kan implement basic school there no. If 2019.
Okay.
Abepem summary na curriculum bia no ɛwɔ reference point.
Okay.
Nti yadi start free 2019 no na ɛyɛ class 4 for no. Eso near the start free.
Yeah.
Nti class 4 for no no more 2019 no. Omo na say omo SHS 1 no. But what I say.
Yeah.
Nti no say no second year mu na year be koi. Nti nkola ya omo wie you know BC no a omo be ko SS no. Omo na ebe second batch of the SHS curriculum no.
Wow.
Nti curriculum no ye wo no mienu na run say ya.
Okay.
I would say first one na the objective based curriculum. Eno no ewo ho enya entwa mu.
Okay.
Form 3 4 no a omo school mu no secondary school form 3 4 no omo no eda so wo old system no mu.
Okay.
And form 2 4 no so da so wo old system no mo nti e form 1 for no omo na say no sa new curriculum we no
be sha CSC
omo wo mu
okay
omo no ewo mu
okay
nti say form 3 for we no omo chro no wi a form 2 for no so be call form 3
okay
nti by next year, which is 2026. So form 2 for any year. Now old system of the curriculum, na ye objective based curriculum, no na atwam.
Okay.
Into says here ye was standard based curriculum. Into standard based curriculum, no they say no na year juma.
So no na first years no.
No na first years no ho. Or mono year.
Okay.
Into afe na second batch ekoka ho.
Ekoka ho.
Yeah.
Oh wow, wonderful. Now the wo ho dada no, any the ebe. Dear enso no ye na edantemu because I say the obiti no say na me ba no o true dia na say binu be sua de foforo bi ye de bibi foforo bre o mu asene me ba no de ono su kosua ye enso so ye dem ni de
enso so ye na ewo mu no ye say on set first no na ye wo subject areas a
okay
ubesua
okay
say ka say obi ye e bia business a business no ye wo business courses and na obeye.
Okay.
But say no with the 21st century no. You said niema bebre abemu.
Okay.
Inti bank no money ade wo mu nyina use computers. Inti say na say ye ensachraye wo niema nkola no sua no emu. Inti so obi business even though be or accounting and those things now, I will say obey to me as anya akwanya. I will say dia akwanya to. Amasa nipa no bi crop person we be a chemistry and no be a person we physics. Inti no sa akwanya ni nyana no this new curriculum ema akwanya sa akola na dia obey to me aye no. Obey to me aye. Inti be o business but obey no obey free one no ko university no. And am say be o chemistry biology e kan ho inti no obey to me akoye bi a nursing and be a medicine.
Any no ye
Inti say no science aba no na ye introduce new courses and so e dey aba inti no e o say ya ma akola no akwanya na eniema bi a ofi say obetumi aye no osua wo school mu ho na ade ba ko so a assign aba mu a we na ye stronko eye transcript system.
Okay.
Obi wie secondary school ne certificate no nko a ne kra no certificate no so no subject a we wo school mu ho no no a e bia o pass ye ne o fail ye no ema so.
Okay.
But no ncha sa wa anye nti so for obi certificate a obere say bia subject o pass ye no nko a na wa ye de abaso nti wo hu say e bia akola no bia school mu ho no osua PE e bia osua culture ekeka ho. But say no we no add the akwanya ba for transcript system. Into your internal examination akola no be ya. Ni nyina ebeba transcript no so.
Okay, na nkoye te say final exams.
Final exams nko na e kura no.
Courses be 20 something na emu be yes 8 subject.
Subject pe but say the transcript system no be bibia wo ye wo school mu ho bia no ebeba so. Transcript no so san man akwanya.
Okay.
Ema ye the character.
Okay.
Nti so obi wo school mu ho no mo no na se sabio ebia krono no obobo wo school mu ho no mo ne ade a emfa hu se watwa but wo be for certificate no na hu so nipa we wo ya ade pa ba bia na school mu so na bia woni su ban papa nti sa ne ma ni nyina ma akwanya ma eba transcript no so.
Okay.
Em ye hu so nipa we say no na bia o ha wo ye team leader bia o ye so wo ye bia school prefect wo ye dining hall prefect any ade ba leadership quality a wo bi ni nyina ba transcript no so.
Wow. Very great. Baby am dene akwanya wo mbenya se obi wo a ebi a all no ye ka chen se science ye den boko dru su mo se ne mfafo otimi ebi kura ho no ma se be okusua kakra kra otimi kire wo no hu se obetumi aye now opportunity says so okudru okra no ohu se we obetumi aye otimi de ka ho no waye that
and subject combination.
Wow.
This is na ma akwanya for subject combination. Inti ye wo subject areas no baby a wo no obetumi apeke
na wo de
aka ho obetumi de wo fi se obetumi aya o de beko wani.
Wow, that's great. Na ye hwe ye school mu ya eya na ye can say traditionally kwan fa so ekire ade ne kwan fa so sua ya ade no eno so ensesaye bi abam kakra akyerɛkyerɛfo na fam ene ebia school fo no so awofo de eso mo ye bibi wo hɔ a eno so abema sa curriculum yi ba no eden sacha ye be ba na
curriculum no ensakyerɛeɛ bebree aba mu. Ensakyerɛeɛ a aba mu no ɛyɛ sɛ first no na memfa assessment system no ɛnyɛ yi. First no na yɛwɔ sɛ WAEC, even though say yɛwɔ 30%, sɛ continuous assessment. But saa continuous assessment no wobɛhu sɛ ebi wɔ hɔnom a na teacherfoɔ no a nkɔla no baawie school a na ɔma kyerɛkyerɛ na ɔma sɛnde ama WAEC. But this time round no there is a system teacher ni biara no ɛbɛfile at the end of any assessment biara wobɛfile a ɛwɔ portal no so a WAEC ne bi ma wɔn. Nti no bibia ɛkɔ so wɔ school mu hɔ no mu biara no WAEC ɛyɛ assessment. It is a terminal exams no mo bɛyɛ a at the end of it no results no nyinaa no ɛkɔ WAEC. Wow. Nti sɛ akɔla bi a mmɔmmɔden ɛwɔ nsɔhwɛ no mu a WAEC nim akɔla no sɛnea n'ade sua siteɛ. Nti ɛnyɛ obi na ɛbɛka sɛ say but ɔmo monitor efiri akɔla no ɛda a ɔde kɔ school mu hɔ no the one no saa nsɔhwɛ bi a ɔkyerɛ hɔ biara no ɛwɔ WAEC ɛwɔ system no mu teacherfoɔ no de bɛkɔ system no mu a WAEC bɛ monitor that ɛyin ne nyinaa dumre bi nso ɔmo bɛkɔ school mu hɔ no mo no te sɛ ɔmo ahyɛ aseɛ ɔmo kɔ school mu hɔ no mo no kɔhwɛ sɛ kwan a teacherfoɔ no exams no koraa na ɔmo yɛɛyɛ no ɔmo kɔkɔhwɛ papers ne bi hunu the type of questions a ɔmo sɛteɛ ɛne adeɛ nyinaa this time no ɛboa.
I think say no ɛbɛboa yie san sɛ WAEC monitor mu tumi sɛ yɛakyerɛ nkwadaa na de aduru stage sei nti bi so ɔmo so questions no ɔmo bɛhu sɛ deɛ ɔmo bɛsi fa asset no. That's great. Nti
teacherfoɔ no nyinaa yɛ ama ɔmo nteteɛ afa ho ɛna sese yɛwɔ adeɛ ɛfrɛ no sɛ PLC.
Wow.
Nti PLC no na yɛde training a teacherfoɔ no. Nti before say a teacherfoɔ no bɛkɔ classroom. See yɛmfa no sɛ ɛnɛ yɛ brada. Nti no next week adeɛ biara a ɔwɔ sɛ ɔmo kyerɛ no sɛ yɛmfa no sɛ mathematics a ɔwɔ sɛ mathematics teacherfoɔ no nyinaa kɔhyia na ɔmo ɛhwɛ adeɛ a obiara kɔkyerɛ no na ɔmo yɛ review ɛhwɛ kwan ebi a saa subject we say no bi a o teacher we bi a form 2 ɛna wo kɔkyerɛ saa subject we say na ɔbɛfa so a ɔbɛyɛ na ɔmo sunsun adwene na ɔmo ahwɛ based on kwan ɔbɛfa so material ɔmbɛhia a ɔmo de bɛkyerɛ ɛne adeɛ ne nyinaa no ansa na teacher na akɔ class.
Good sans bu o timi be gyina de o kyerɛ no kra timi so nhyɛ da mu de o kyerɛ no as one ante asie but this particular discussions no bɛbo ama ɔno kra no ɔnte bibia so obedi kan nya nkyeremu ansa na wakɔ akɔkyerɛ na yɛnhwɛ finally yɛhwɛ ɛyɛ sɛdeɛ kwan a mo bɛfa so a abɛfo kwan a yɛabɛyɛ a yɛde esuadeɛ ICT no ɔho ne yɛwɔ AI yɛwɔ other things a ɛba nkwadaa yi yɛpɛ sɛ ɔmo so ɛne afoforo from betri obi ba ekɔ school abrochire obi de yɛ nti modie no de na modie ahyɛ mu a ɛbɛm yɛ no ɔmo nso ahoro betri
ɛsɛsɛ no ɔmo sɛ aban distribute tablets. Ɛyɛ na amanfoɔ ka sɛ tablet na aban de aba no esua ne adeɛ na ne de ma wɔn no tablet no ne ɛwɔ mu ne sɛ ɔmo sɛ di saa curriculum we no form 2 form 2 for no any form 3 for no come nti ya form 1 for nko sisi ya form 1 for nko and what this new curriculum nti tablet na wo ho no ɛyɛ ɛdɔso ebi wɔ system no as a band the tablet no do no aba sisi ya wo smart board ɛwo classrooms omugu so yes and a schools ni nyina ebinya bi and teachers were giving laptops and you know say na ma you know ICT program ni ade na omo ye ni nyina no say no economy say no omo introduce what we call robotics na akora bia do form 2 a second year na obesua robotics no ebi
wow
aye school bia obia wo school no obia besua robotic ni bi ehunu senia abefo niema no ICT nti eye akonya kese a oman no yenya I just a curriculum no eh.
Wow, that's good. Na me do real crano. Who say can no be here? Ya can say yes curriculum ya sesa no be subject no. Ya papa mu bebrebe. We wo say akwada no be choose bi aka ho de. But the mo amode gu ni tiri so no. Ya tete so kakra na. We also free basic education was here. Enkwala no na no complain bi ba ese enkwada yi akwada wo bi fan say P1, P4, P2 yina ya ichese eno ma wo sua no. Ene de itimi ka se akwada ketwa wo medro wan wo benyini biti. Ene ya the curriculum yi and also some observation why aye in such a kakra.
Well, curriculum no emma akwanya se akola no ebe develop ne talent.
Okay.
On say all system no na ya so maths, English, science ni ade. But akola bi wo no ma na oye good ewo games. Yemvan say football no money ade. Sa enema ni nyina obon se bedu baabi no na akola na jai. That's what I say. No we jai. Because all sene di ahye no no. Ba curriculum we no ama kwanya. Inti sa akola no eya ade e wo sports a. Adenti na ne onye sports and health program. Inti say no ya introduce sports and health as elective.
Oh wow.
Inti say akola bi ya ade wo sports. No fees up say o develop wa. Obetimi aja business no no why sports.
Oh okay.
As a course.
Wow. This is interesting.
Entino woma entitesen ama akwanya abato wo no mama nkwala no nea wo pese wo ye bia no ubetumi a develop no e de akọ na enye se bia se bia omi fan se bia obi ye science but ni bakro no ye good pa when it comes to sports. That's what I say. Entino ene also akoye PE. Enti PE no elective wo no say first na PE na just call.
Yeah.
Inti moya mutututu mika wo hono ma ba say an electives aba awet me aye PE as elective.
Wow.
Now they are cool when
now bet for aswa kosuapon mu kra koye.
Yes.
Wonderful. Aye good pa. Na ne kra mu no ye kra curriculum ya kosi dabe. Because no maba the way abeshim e 5 years and I got 10 years.
Curriculum no
mo be review that way.
Curriculum de normally no near SCN say or my no direction I person ye call. And no na emma and society ever. In the curriculum no at least every 6 years and now 5 years no ye be ehwehwemu ahwe se sene ayeye no no ekoyi anase nkoyi ebi wo kra na ye resources no na yenya nti ye nya resources no a e wo resources ni providing nti ye kase ye review a no je say ye sesana kofa bibi foforo aba ye review no hwemu niema akoyi ni niema ankoyi ni ba bia wo se nsesan ya ba e hono mo no na ye be o mo be.
You better ask that if you know be person frame make us say who be or concerns be no ye I mean special or person on more discuss your number ben
me akasa me number there
Nana will be bisa question or no or chechini.
Okay,
they say or ye doctor.
All right.
And yenye adon ye be adon in studio ha.
Oh good.
Ba or ye doctor Doctor Nana Kojoja. Doctor Akwaba.
Mejuzo.
The Bibia Boko.
Yeah, you be funny.
Try the ache. 18 pacho will be some wasem back.
Enkrano. Basis kudomusiano. Bebre ho a emfaso ni so. It's a waste of time.
No more drop I'm chromatin.
Emfaso ni so and I've complained and emfaso ni so. It appears say nasa wo phone ni mom and a second teachers e wo fie. And this thing we've complained akra ketwa or yet 10 subjects. Obekone ne chi kra ye ne ya. And we've complained and appears so can be en few. She enkra no wan hwe abeka se obani nsua de. But akra te bi kra wotam book na. Book ni bua wotama. Stay 2 ni stay 3 ni brofu a ewom no.
Akra ni ti kra pa.
Ukra panyi no untimi nye.
Ena na me bisa ni.
There are certain courses even at the university level where we teach.
Yeah.
Akra no kra busa sa question no at that level na onim. And in appears here can GS ntiase. What kind of syllables I was akwada at the age of 5 years, 6 years? Now usua 10 subjects. The osua brofo a ewomu they so on drone nyina does not make sense.
Serious.
And state share China na no yanya no ha classes so munye AI yetiana akrakoto to de bia many ese mendro ye akra no homework ni say ondro school and cry prapra wom a tables wom
maybe the so on your pot ondro. And
I'm surprised that the GS is not aware of these things.
Pot for water.
This is a complainer. Most parents, including him, he's aware. And so for me, yabeba, abayaba, yasesano, and ye syllables, and ye faha, and obia de ni diabano. Yesusano, how were we learning? What you say? I make Kai stay 2 stay 3 to make nyoma a writing, a how to pronounce words, a basic handiworks, a san your nyoma no
time and you have
na 10 subjects. Me say me mano me debi amebano o stay for cost says. Oba results no. I said that I didn't do and I'm saying you did well. You did well. Ebu okra na over 100 unya 40. Me say why ade? Because ade na me omodi befie no. Sebi ento asumu. NTGES must stop that. They need to review 10 subjects for a basic school or even akrano krade nkwa 4 or 5 will be. I know you more of writing. Say parents and in the bar. Ocean French. Let's be honest. Awuphobia bar or the AI. And yes sir adieno.
Maybe you say obrepa.
Entuba hu say akrano bon say akrano.
Yeah.
Ne homework our deba no eba no aya ade pa but edu exams are onya ade because the truth of the matter is oba awofo ne na eboa no enti otimitwa teacher ni nso dose ni nkra ne dose ni nti onya time once obobe very good but akrana real exams timer awofo ne support no me once a private I was say ye di omo akọ so please Ghana education now more than MWA. I teach at the university level, and I'm telling you that some your man no my and to me express myself here. Because the omu training in an esusuche umaji, and I train your better na dear you know, because it's about can say they know their domains, affirmative, cognitive, and psychomotor no. Some your man now wo chira abofrano. Abofrano, baba what is enti I'm telling you to the bikrana akra at the 3rd year level. Okachen say evaluate or discuss mano. I'm telling you at the university level when sometimes odi adebo can say and they need to mean discuss it. You understand? There's a more yadi but adebi wo ho a some the bar teachers for no must be upgraded to fit into those things.
Sure.
Ye papa ye ma minimum mu ko training college ni sa nyoma no I be one kwa yi no so wo kire akra na dia ohu akra de wa o si kire ni ye na de ehu kra ni say aban school no kra de eya no mu kire in terms of enya to say nkra ne ye academically challenger akra no de all kire at that level no wo so wo for ye kire wo mu nyoma ni ye basic but obane ba because a private into no ade na just here force na adwen enti basic one ni esua say three you can say basic 3 ade and he has to do it.
They are competing with the public schools, you know, say
so PRO, listen, we can talk about all these things, but me as a parent, I am not happy. No parent opa MBA lines no ni entie wo de wi a me anam time ye be be lines no na ma wo fo insema ye kana PRO no konfanko. Because we cannot just pretend as safe. Say, Bibia, you okay?
Education,
there's a problem. Parents are having problem with that.
Memo ya no ba 10 minutes video course I'm waiting wasum kakra on the parents concern.
No. Besides you
me ameti me the media come one son me bisa. Me ameti we.
And they say me.
As a teacher ni bi o school wo bia no. Yes wo ma assignment every day. Which me banner a rasway like Akoran person would
na no so ndro akufado okodo akufado we he
ono ka so so ma drama no cross one pen the madam say o mama me dra obebo It will no one say was on in Sasukra DJ than opening boating.
Akufo-Addo at that time. Yeah, near him drawing. Now catch a stay 2 Nissan Kodra Akufo-Addo Ukutagana flag.
Opening boating.
Are we saying who syllables nana?
Meaning say some observation was a period. More make more dream why is actually na say to say
on say BBA mono.
But Casamai
BBA mono say oh yeah.
Nhyira FM.
Comment na Elba no.
Sure.
And no na ma wonso uhunu say. Say na echo sene be ya wonso betimi aye ensachiraye.
Right.
Inti comment bia no Elba no yetie no wasopam. Yenso ye hwe say ye betumi de ensesaye abamu.
Right.
Ha. Na edu ba bia ayana private sector no.
Okay.
On said the kind of teachers are almost use ewo ho no no. Edum re bi ayana omonye trained teachers.
Okay.
And it sometimes certain things be ho no ma omochra because of say omonye train omonye psychology tin omonye da hunu nkwala no sane oma ho odin setie a omo besi e de akire omo ade nti niema bia wo ho no ma na omo efa e de ma wo. But when it comes to government schools no sa niema na different because government schools no you are bound by the rules and regulations of GES.
But omo nyina nso ye andamo a mo hwe say omo be nam regulations ni mo pepepe. So how do you recruit teachers no and no more guide omo saying because they need to follow said the nkwala no omo nyina nso ye Ghana for how I betimi build omo nyina and mo create teacher for mu ta de mo man so call private schools yi bia ade na mo nhwe mo emped the needed.
And say no near yeah and some say private schools no omo a control omo no ye nasia.
Okay.
They are not directly say GES controls them.
So Ghana Education Service
nasia.
Right.
And omo monitor private schools.
Timuni oversight responsibility bia.
Yeah, oversight responsibility no your district level limited.
So omo ye bibi wa muntimi control.
Oh, you bet to me, the only thing is, we also guide them by giving them a copy of the syllabus and those things, textbooks, na omo aye. But won't mean supply, Akolebia, and JBia, say, class 3, be a momu be a bear 10, Senebea or Musum beach me, Ehunu be on my copies near the no monso, etume de achra dear. But what is nti sana I nti omo ho no no control no ye control e wo omo so no isra
ketu abi
nti
e de na osusu si ye beboa
se see no saa niema ya comment na eba no nia ewum se ye nso ye de beto na asiafo anim na omo so ahwe how best omo so betimi strengthen ho no na omo monitoring system no Senebea Edemo Abeba.
Mr. Boatin is talking political. Jam your money, jam. Politics. Mr. Boatin, listen. We are all stakeholders. Ghana education, there's a challenge.
Kofi Alowu say some of the public schools are also facing the same challenges and not only a private sector.
No, there's a challenge. Public sector, no. And no one there understood. But you see, the no you say we are training sa babadiema enti be benyini no ni ntimi nye critical thinkers.
Sure.
But ene a bachelor will say critical thinking a necessity.
Yeah.
But what is I am a major on an enche mema Jefford I show some of the things na ebi me the baba to corner so no what project. Akra Kotua Owo State 2. Na question na yebusa no. What is communication? State 2 ni what is communication?
Obede na waye.
I teach communication theory. As communication at university, people will struggle.
Yeah.
Mr. Boatin, Wadaroma. You bet me I can ye go soon ye shen as a phone. As a me away can. even my own friend, education minister, I complain educhum then.
The time, yeah.
Naka board or Obaye, Professor Edward.
Yeah.
Miami friend, I complained.
Yeah.
Kasa say yeah. Oh, you go so yeah, she. But parents, how many times na parents enfam meto, even social media say, as I say no, yeah, ni other teachers will fee.
Yeah. How do you
expect the parents to teach? This is a great concern, Mr. Boateng.
So that is why this new curriculum,
does this new curriculum address the fact say enkwada at stage 2, stage 3, omu ye 10 subjects? Does it address?
Limited subjects.
Does it address that? It's not just about adding, but it's about addressing the fact say Accra Kutu at that time 10 subjects M1. Oh, ha, Krano.
Take your consent.
There be Uber taking consent. I can't take your consent. I can't take your consent.
Okay, we'll take it.
You're not picking 5 calls. Maninkas has some near recording. What the Maninkas are concerned.
Ashanti Regional PR for Ghana Education Service.
What your uncle Maninkas are concerned.
And what they 10 subjects here. And the subject be 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, basic education. Mobayen such a artist. I'm an upper fem cram and collegian motion psychological.
On say subject in the or no more a internal assessment.
Okay.
But what I say, Sibia basic school. I also woman akulano akwanyama or developing a talent. But say oh ye PE no at the end of the BEC uncultural PE no. But also woman akwanya na o develop. Into some of the subjects like culture. But what I say, culture. I could be hold masa when may into also a chair or more. But those subjects no near idea no. I say do level be a no more. And yet idea or more cultural and answer bibisa. Into your internal ones so. Also akolabia na yemana kwanya amane ye ene ye wo fana exams no a near why conducted no 8 subjects it will be
8 subjects and I'm cause there woka enya ni
but from primary school from primary school no it's our subjects here okay the boss every class be from class 1 obey 8 class 2 obey be 9 obey we the intimi say ya major maybe a 1 be na
because like Accra no mind Mr. Boateng when him they make it
maybe a 2 be an 3
Mr.
Odru stage 2 a different
it's unfortunate to crash say it's unfortunate say wo na ha na me nim say prof na na beba ha
prof will be here
na me nim say prof na na beba because there are certain fundamental questions I need to ask share me man that time no will stay 2 share the ebusa na that time
class 2
yeah me a chere no
any 2 sources
4/4 no me na me chere no
hey
only
me university
only me say gave any 2 sources of information right any 2 ways technology has made communication easier right any 2 ways technology has made traveling easier at that
and that's critical thinking.
What is critical thinking at stage 2 this thing I'm telling you that even university for ask the same question there'll be a challenge I'm telling you stage 2 need
because they were not trained that way and just say within the critical thinking
what I am saying
no
at the critical
use phone maybe unklani use phone
use phone way
oh there be say do baby unklani use phone
phone you use phone well
game
but those are the practicals Mr. Boateng
just how the board game game no oh yeah no say akulani timi hunu say
no
phone e kura no
there be Mr. Boateng I disagree man akwano fan in san sheshe nyoma akwano fan is any friend critical thinking and you learning by doing you are an educationist at that time at that time and you learning by doing and no sano akwano ye the puzzle ye jagu ho yes one fix it anya onkosa onfensuo engum na one share the way one sim plant seed say or mix that is the time who develop that skill no what you say now or even that time you the local language no cran training or building no to a certain and to obey no you smarter and to would be a can of one. What you say? We all teach, and I'm trying to tell you that the basic level, not at the problem about university, and most lecturers will complain that even when you are marking final year ni na brofo obetro ne expressions no sa wo so mark brofo ne expressions ne sebi nyansa sema one hwe a wo man hwe
wadi baba free primary.
and this is the challenge that we are talking about,
and this curriculum make provision for that.
Does it stop the 10 subjects?
No, sir, baba. Enya about the number of subjects. Yes, sir, baba. Die ni adie no. And as I say, you person you getting rid of it. Say free system no more. Abba. Whereby akola na kasa bedwene no betimi aye bibi.
Kenkai Ebenet Dr. Ebenet Heba Mesa Ebenet o de menka ba ko na o se ne buafu no de menka.
I'm proud of you listening live. This is Dr. Ben. Okay, I say class 3 about 10 subjects.
Adai o de ne papa ne nkasa
ejadu
na me professor na nkasa.
Ya hira ejadu.
O de ma wofo no bi mfrese ana be fre ejadu ansa. O de ma wofo no bi mfre na ye. This is worrying. This is worrying. 83581 na yeni nkomo nwumasua na hu ya pa. Wofo bia nim said there's a problem with this one. Yentimi nka ho asem. 10 subjects na akresua. Obeba na chinyina. And one of the young share and say bag no kura say prawo mu. Because to be they have to bring all and no cry and can want them the health challenges of our children.
Last week no catch say daddy my teacher said my bag looks like Ecolag.
Me bag also and you see una health person you know the backbone issue and Akrakotua state to now carry books bear 10
enunti ne what timetable. In the timetable,
we are telling you the reality. Are you not a parent?
No, 8 subjects. No, and yet,
Mr. What we are parents. We are telling you what we are feeling.
That is what I'm saying. Say,
your money they be able school.
You bet to meet you. You're crying about first. You bet to me abu ankolano. It doesn't mean say a day no akolane ko ye 8 subjects. I also was a sasa books in na medical school.
So what are you doing?
There was a timetable. There was a timetable. In the timetable no subjects are obey ne da no eno no so ode homa ekọ
ejeduana
okay
and the also awofo no wutimi hunu akola no timetable no na hunu say a day we no e bi obey maths english e bia eyi enti no books we no no say akola no ode ko say na be ons da bia ons wa book ni nyina emfa nko.
Okay mama ni ejedu ntwitwi nkomo kakra na ejedu good morning.
Good morning, Nhyira.
Apo mu ye de.
Ya be go so
ye church ni ana wofo.
E pa so me da wofo.
Ye wofo.
Yeah.
Okay. Also we concern be about subjects no ni ade. Then na wo community openity.
Me da wase. Ma me na Nhyira from for the last number. So Ghana for the last week. The person me kan te. Me enquire school. We have back a book china. Last time me back or called me the hospital. The hospital on the chicken no problem on the chicken. Because bag no a benefit no bag in the mood. And I was saying could see a crown school or pawn your paw as an massacre of and any for 2 now more class 5 and class 4. Books are more medical school. That I'm not there. I'm not education service. I did because of school now. Was some more many call pa. Sir, academic year now will be call many mono. You see a graduate. Yes, sir. Obama, I will follow to 3 book. I will follow book out of Pamataria now. Could you work with a idea?
I say me by graduate and they easy.
I want education service. One more. Because I would get training now, would support to Akran. Yes, I'm not support to Akran. But also academic years, I will know. You have not find you have 2 books. I saw the 12 fees. Yes, I had Jenny. And you would be a madam, my best regular education service now. Or when you will be my
oh, too. Better say, young far who for be enum. Nami we are concerns in my more addressing in Miss Roya.
No, they ain't better. This is a social issue. Just allow.
Don't worry. I think that your private schools no teacher for no most masem. It also your teacher any private school and then the mama will go through that amount kwala no say the person so besi mo so amudi gun kwala is 03220 83581 83582 83583 na yen twetwe nkomo. Hello
Hello, Anna. Good morning.
Good morning, Minia.
The bomb today.
Adam Yahoye.
Lampard among.
All right, you.
Nana, Shasma became the wire Japan. And Crano. Nina, I 9 a moon out of the school. And I overcome a new some year, Bush, no more in Abaco. I guess I took us to use a size Bush. After 2 weeks, not to tell us, I wish I talked off the moon. If you can wait, you can ban. Thank you, subjects. No, one much like a boom. Naka, very cool, dear. Sabia, Macabia, woman, I was a subject of when you say you have a 4 subjects here. I'm a bush lost and find the weird thing. What about the band that were not in the school for the chair? Because I'm some. So, back on Mr. Now, what about? She has said the kitchen is a moon on top of the person because of the course school or a middle school. The subject area for English, math, geography, and history. And and then just an age at a thing. Okay, to me, and that's how I won't tell you. I can find a community. I'm sure no good and a champion.
Okay, next caller. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I told you Mustafa. I said, I will far.
All right, Mustafa, in Chile.
Also, medication one say. And Crown school. School na or more on pon or a time also on pon. So that be some kind of classes and right. Meantime, come the same kind of classes. I think upon some of that home, yeah, Pia Kaipia, because you who they call other books with the bomber typically. So,
Obano Diano, or saying, or stage saying,
oh, Baku P3, Baku P2, Baku P5.
Oh, okay. Extra classes, no?
Extra class will mean up here. Any day be a government school, any day be a so,
a government school.
Government school.
Okay. The obey address concern, why? Okay, my main fan.
Fort Victoria were he.
Fort Victoria.
Were he.
My main kaka with you.
We name Fort Victoria. And you what? Me. I need the mammy ban any need. Yes, a central region, me call her Daminim. Oh, me the AI na ye. Number nature. Teacher no come my cast me banner bay. What hano? Go teach a new credit in Fort Victoria on call that. Making lines.
And your better question about
the first castle was built.
I have a bit of what
this.
No, you're better. And that time, Nina, audio. And I got education service.
Now, what 10 minutes, Mamma, more time won't pay in happen. Don't worry, it's your concern. Where do you obey here? I don't know why am I. For your service, your concerns, and never.
Hello, next caller.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning, Minia. Within your free. All right, energy into you.
Books you want and not for your depends on Hogwa. Mr. Bag in the board, what are the trapine if you are dancing to fit about and Satofa? And yes, then do some now whom you know. Yes, Ramudi, a community, and your man, and Granny bread. And I'm that.
NZ CP. Okay. Mr. Books na my main next one. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Good in your free.
Yeah, good morning. I'm I'm Pamela.
All right.
Yeah. I have a serious problem with educational system here.
Are you
I'm a professor.
Okay. Okay.
But sometimes some of the schools try to do career day. It is not proper because there's a much load for the parents, especially when they are about to go to the third term and they're entering to the first term. Mm-hmm. Most of the schools don't think about the parents. And secondly, to the syllable, the books are in the market, so you just go and buy them. Even when we use the syllables and we merge with the school curriculum, mm-hmm. the books in the market, they read their own books.
Okay, they specify which books you should buy for your kids.
There's no purpose, my brother. So it's appalling. Our system.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Were you saying they specify the books you are supposed to buy for your kids? Were you saying that the teacher specified the books you're supposed to buy for your kids?
No. But when you go to the market, the books it doesn't sometimes go with the syllables. And
okay.
The ministry is just looking, and they are just publishing.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
And this the way some of them also try and use their mind, lure the parents, buy this, but it's a waste of money.
Okay.
So for instance, in my school, I don't do career day.
Okay, right. Thank you very much. So, the career day, no. I am near the show, so books no be over. Umbe any the extra moves, no. Humuna and no money be a webra. And so, my main last two calls, na me one address here on the Nhyira curriculum. Hello.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning, Minia. Okay, into you.
Hello. The concern here. The private schools, you know, it's a government, it's not a the school fees, you know, lately, very, very challenging for parents.
School fees for private schools,
yes.
No?
Yes, it's a minor trade. Not say, me matter, Baku educated, Baku class 3, Baku class 1. Now, ye be a school. Imagine the number of books. Averagely, books no, one for craft no, 1,000 Ghana. It's in Grammy and Sano, at least 3,000 Ghana for their books. I'm school fees in my, I'm canteen my, car, I'm the school no, and my, or Buffia, you bet my parents, how much am I earning? I was saying in school now, me coffee out. Let's say about 7,000 or 8,000 to cater for all this. And it's very challenging for parents. And then the last one also is say homework parents don't put a motor here. The school now you're calling a year and after there. Yeah, they baba here. Homework out the baby you know. We parents remember who wants here. How are you supposed to guide over no?
Okay.
But the biggest concern now is a private school and then their school fees now.
Right.
Yeah, Brett.
Thank you.
For Miami and Sam, it's not easy as a parent.
Right.
Thank you.
Right. Thank you too. Mami Mfa, next caller. Hello.
Hello. Akokwa.
Minia.
Mama mo na eduma.
That's
Pacho Minia ni Joel. Ahima kwa ben na mbuzodu.
Right, Joe, into you.
I'm still pa Monday we are to we abana. So you say I want to you mutimi bi ma homework bi ma akola. They say o chira na anye o kofa obi unima na ko kofa obi kura wontimi wa ya ma no. Ade a ha adwene wontimi chira e bi anka homework wa ya ma akola no. Also o chira say na wo te ate o chira no kora na wo nte ate. Because subject na do so. Wa chira na we no. Wono na adwene say da we. So that's it. Akura na also 5 years, 6 years. So until won't mean sini pisebia we am actually okra ma menche na just draw family. Omo together, family living together. On what church and son okotia.
Edia utimi draw wo ma no. Like wo draw one draw wo yire no wa draw wo ma na aka no. Eya utimi
draw ne san. So unim krampo na bi o unima na wa kofa obi no wa draw ma untimi chire no. Nka mihu ya homework o kira akola na wo so wo man ti ase se ampase ona se kira no anka se ye na akola 5 years se ya wo ko e de ko draw o e de ko ti ase enti ha adwene pa enti mo hwe yes me sra mo hwe na mo can be married.
Wow. Era say hello.
Agugwa.
Minia.
The more channel for you.
Me josu.
Agugwa no pe ma me channel mo abaso na ko bian to aso me channel. Na ye mo mabaso pa nyame kira mo
na me choro me yam for Canada in Japan agwa owe ensema mabobo so mbese mbusa say mu school mo de makobi atimi ankobi nti abrafo na yesi yesu omo no omu kom kasa no mle kire nkura na de ana se obi kom kasa no mle kire nkura na de se yetie mem na yewe kasa ne kasa de ato atere kura cha no nya papa ene akofo obi die na ade no so kura ye de nkura ne fam nkura so no eya ade ye se do mu dwane saa eti mesere se omu mama de se ye beba fam na se nkankura no mo omu susan se kura de nke de kasa no e kire mu ade na nke baboa no matimi ati adoyara se ne ye ko chana se mo se ye gwago fo bi kom kasa de e kire mu a ba bra de no kwa wanti a se so na se la ye fa so ye de kire no ene ya sa se abanu so mo de se primary school abans bo man ni akon se do man penku for ba ya o di school feeding program ba se no be ye nika no e ba sra ba man no go za bad ye no ti e me ni ko ni e quality tre private ye le ba sa e ba bo am obi a so timi de ne ba ko na o timi akosia no ma be bra furu a e ba bo am ma na timi akura no me da se bye bye
right men so me da say hello minu abeni
hello bema na ma
mejo su mami
me pacho me ka se bu akwa e de ma mpom
peja onimu kakra mami
me pacho me ka se bu akwa
ye fro say
ma mpom
okay
me pacho ya mo kan na ye no kure ene se nkura ne so mu bre tete no ne ye box troubles wo school ma enkwan ko mu bia wo ye ba class ya na esi no ye de wo yi no opo bia bu no de na so de the teacher for sa fa duro say ye die yo enkura ba go so mu nyina mo bo wa be na de bia ni mu ye ne de bia mi sa to ma kwan yo fo nyina ma ko school mu ma kwan ya mi timi e ma mun kan teacher for ne to ana access so boost no ye we be bia school but to boost be say 15 million as ye no betwe mu target back we are sure back ne buku na ate ko ye dire ko e ka we wo ko pri we beto boost bebrebe ni nya no betwe mu no ma wa wo fra to buka die gram wo ka mun kan ye pa na mi sa mo pa ne dem so akonya wo dia me no pre ye che ya nti won kan che sa no mun school for mun teacher for na school run o mun top box on face school mi tan kura boost ye dey e cupboard ye sire wo ma wo bada wo ne kwa na bre wo mu hura ma ne pa wa na mi sa mo pa me da city baba
say bye bye next caller hello
hello nana jantwa
mama ya joso udin
nana ade ba ko so e ha me no
udin
eni si ye be bie sui
mama wo temenka
ye fe me na next time ka se fi santa se run about
all right mama ya cha nti we
ye be makwan me ba eco 2 brigade e ye soldiers for school no complain ye ma ye nto books ne wa abontene books ni so e wo ho ne so ne board nka me hunu ye nka ban student ye to books ne wa abontene me ma mi nu ne wo ho na minim time ai osisi o mo kire nkura na de sisi o mo ye classes nko atre o mo ye Saturday classes morning classes evening classes any time ben na o mo de kire nkura na de ade ni nyina so mo ji school sa classes me nse ni nyina o mo ji school ansa na plus school fees ni be bi school ye beto no
public school
that me dey me say ya ban soldiers school no
okay for
soldiers 2 brigade
okay
eti nana mesra mo mon ka bi maye na the way o mu si ye ne dia no the classes 3 ni nyina o mu je sika ni nyina o mu je sika enti time ben na first school fitina ye tua no mo de kire nkura na de
right yeah that's my me echa next caller
hello
Obeni beni
me de kwa beni me kasa fi dun kwa mo
Obeni ntie we
yo me mo komo so mi de ba bi mo to aso de ba me yo chechi ni le sanga na pa na de koso mi de ye koso an kana be bo from class 1 to 3 in 8 subjects 4 to 9 1 from 1 to 9 na me ti so pe ni na ta ke bi ti o bi e ti o mo ye 9 enti ha dwene pa ebi o ha internally ye to meet na center from class 1 to class 3 I two subjects but we are able because the idea is about and now and she submitting of woman after 12 months no boy and I make it all for me that country do nothing and come on but no go school next can no man will only start the third one why am I fighting the mountain let me say Obama and yeah every academic year I'm back I'm to book for so for me you go from to and sign yẹn fan tó aha nti dynamic nǹkan kakra bi a wọ ìgbàanimú a ẹwọ sí yẹn nyinaa yẹ ẹbí aha ìlú amẹ wọ́n pàṣẹ ní fẹ́mi wọ́n pàṣẹ sẹ́ mi ń bọ́ àmì wẹ́ẹ̀ but ẹ̀sán sẹ́ mi ní nípa ẹ̀yẹ fún ti nkọ̀mọ́ ti the way àmì pẹ́sẹ́ mi kyerẹ́ mi ní ìkyerẹ́ nta nti ẹnu anẹ́sẹ́ àmì ọ̀bọ̀bọ̀ sọ àmà ní ọ̀dọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ ẹnu nso ẹ̀ ń bọ́ àǹkwá and you see, I so much basic school class 1 to class 6 subject in everything by the past.
To we are
okay. Next caller, hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I try a friend of mine, and I can't say a cool phone for
into your way.
But you uncle any books to name, dear. Me and a baby, I'm a bucket, na me de banner. I didn't book the bag here, Kujan, and easy.
There's also
a subject meaning now, or before book, or for master, or before book, bear for Nadia Caron. Okay, so 1 year, 1 year, when a private school, number 1, so bedroom from Telea, me bandy proof from Telea, man, one and a padda, and you run and then me one, or mostly fear 5, or bebana 8, and you melee. And there's no private schools in the Omono Moncasa, the one with Jim Colani to the Sumo, and the Akolani 50 and a 5 or Bebana 8 now what that. And it's a one sorry ma who banana padda. And there's no private school.
Yeah, almost the school bus near home.
I eat 3 for no more fast school car. Obefa car.
But almost check and sound on my back.
Almost flip here home at 5 or Bebana 8. And it's a one sorry, I may bano through 3 man, one and a padda. I just say you marry.
Now be said teacher for almost say almost pon brebe because
almost 8. Uda kwa class 1 so almost me a do sana about 7 na me bane maya. Me ko train was 2 more. Oba ko no mo share class 1 no mo sia de. Enti na parents no so yet to one more chain no. Oh, enti sa wo ni ka wo de oba ne beba. Na wo no oba ne nam fom.
Okay. Yeah, that's it.
Mo no mo nkasa maye. Yestra pa na book na nkola ne bi ko school no so yestra wo mda bia wo fa ne to bag. Yestra wo mpa ya na book ne dos.
Right, thank you. Hello.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning, no. Adomo, me mama be ni.
Ye mama be mana mani.
Hey, woni ezi. Pacha mi o na me se san jabre.
Me the Yusuf me da pass.
All right. It's you, bro.
Education, my education na ya be good. Me say me pe morning show ni parties no but as I mo show no ya mama education e mo me chia opinion e na ya janto na ya na mo body bi say jz eno no ye de me ma ya me nyam tia say
jz no
no
ye mabunu mabuna aba no na mabunu no de ye no on say abrabo no ye different ye papa no mo ne ye no social media group for modernization.
Okay. Na me na meet your opinion na mo no edi nkomanda man to me in fast ntino but me think that based on an analysis na on mo ye no onye na agin say bia ombe ko man normal agin say they will revise the curriculum normal reduce syllabus no do yeah because for instance okase akano creativity bi mo wa say we pia enye say e wo say wo sua pi na akosua Olympics na akosua Greek friend say Olympics omo ye na ade But not that period that mobile exhibit on talent, based on sports, maybe ampe and young to and other stuff. But too much. Young fans say a day beyond all. Yeah, no, be say a day beyond me. We are 3-4 subjects. So young fans say 5 a day, class 5 subjects a day. Each subject be our bear 3 books. 3 times 5 then you 15 books. It is wait me too much. And I said teachers cram. Yet the subject be by family. Oh, pass a day. Our people. Our ward and our people. No more than 3 days. They are teachers for so how much knowledge teachers no benya too much and mana atinyadi. And no be on masa our ward, our people a part of even social studies. I bet to me our home. It is na yes maybe so. It is so social advice here does it. I know quite there's no Muslim, more to know where in a social advice is too much. Okay, normally people on my also movie free. I pay too much. And wasted too much time on a student. I'm a move bread to.
Right.
Now your phone. Now you see, I know you school a bus you no one do a nation. We don't apply them on the field of work. Okay. So what is the essence of teaching us those things? Wasting time.
A hard dream. We must say happy. My main for last call. I mean fancy. This will be my last call. Hello. Hello.
Good morning.
All right. Minia baby.
FM Titi.
All right, Titi.
How you know it? Nkwalano nketewa no ate se de me nyonko no mo ka no. A teacher for no. Ya e se nkomo kire nkwala na ade. Se ya wo for no. Enye nyina na enim ade. Enye nyina na yakọ school. Na me de me babmraw. Se kire na ade a. Akwara na be fie a. Ye se wo kire no school ho no. No atwa ma no se di fa ko fie. No nkonko ye homework. Na ade che on fa ni. On fa results from that. Now we no se si a no. Akwara ne be fie na se me awofo no min ko school a na de akwara ne be da ya se homework no e ti teacher for na de a mo ya na ya ne ye ntia ase kra ye ntia ase e fi se si a ye hu se akanka aban school no a teacher for ne nkire be
abotre
omu di nkwala no ho agro ta ti matem ti ti an
me da se openi no tumi se ni kuku apayo ade no hadwene ora boatin ene de what the viegu hu pa
oh eye
so se
my hunu
ma hye omu
my yanso ye hunu niema ayekoso sane be ya yanso ye betumi aye ensachraye owo niema mo se si ye no o mama ye hunu niema ekoso wo private schools enti ye de ani behwe ho
me hu se wo no tu hu se de na akoma ni sitie ne manfo kasa no ma mu hu se wo te o masem e de ne de na
ma one number of subjects no mo kan said those
mo hwe na mo
ebinum so kan extra classes ebi nso ese career day career day no se se abeya ade so ama
no kure no so mfa so
career day no ye emre bi a ye person kola na ehunu enyuma hodo a ekoso ewo ya setena mu na ede bibi aba wo mu ama wo mu nkanya bi se na be ya wo nso betimi edi bibi asi won ani so se me nso me nyini a meyese enti am opportunity se bia akola bi wo ho no ma obedress se nurse ni obi bedress se police ni obi bedress te se doctor na eyade eyade kire mo hunu nyuma ni ade a ewo ye dada asetena mu
awofo no se ebo mo kadodo na
se baby
obi be hwe fruit atade kro no be apply em fa de be wiase no we teacher ni It is idea we are movie free where we had me. Say hard me.
Oh, a year dacro, Aphibia no a dacro, and no more a year no, and yet the bia same rebi on me, Aphibia and a dacro, and I as a career day, in the school no my now more.
I think said the idea is good.
Yeah.
Expose, but I think that the parents worrying and say a cat.
That is,
you understand? I say which your school fees we are. School nunti me new music kana and yes I didn't say now no more bay now some copo matade koyes hanyo sa kana some no say
all right it says no you better
about to make us you now instead from the enkasi
yeah says so man cause say you no concern you no concern
next one no so you dey
and
office near
and obi eka fees, high fees, private schools.
Yeah.
It's so no. You better who wants some can say private school association. No, you know so. And language, but language no all cano. And she say mono. Just say akola no eba school for and if you kg no ekopem class 3 no medium of instructions. Ni addiction adie no. Ono ne ma kasa enti no te say ya ha no no ya di twi aha na baby ya na challenge no kakra eba say ebia na teacher ni na owo eho no who say ya ha no ya different culture ya different language enti ebia teacher ni kro na ebia o chess our class no na ebia twi no on shaba anti-chi no enti ebasa on country no bebre and chess akwala no but medium of instructions no eye chi lower level no dey eye chi in the chiro from kg no to class 3 no eye chi in the chiro ma dey
hey mo community na here
o me pacho sana say ye no and na make us bibia na nso wo ho because we be baabi no ebia nipa no wo class 2 no na bi ono bi a sabio Ashanti region no ye de chi kasa na kan kasa no ebia no nya kan mi nti basa na kasa no na ye ne den na tem bia na brofo nko na bia wo kan eno ne eye a na eba but nia say omo ye no de ka sa level no de eye chi kasa ene ye de kire na de
right adults me say when no ti be brenti we dey
na books
books no so
number of books ena efa
ebi also
ena obi nso ma say number of days you use to the training teacher for no new curriculum no eno no yajetum that is why I'm say no with the senior high school level no you use to PLC because in 2019 no
PLC them pacho breaking it down
professional learning communities professional learning communities teacher for no be share now omo eso adwene omo discuss na niema omo fi say ebia na obi grant ase obi betimi akere senior obi si aye no any material kro omo de be ye no na omatimi a provide enti eno ne say unity say eno enti na ma senior high school level no ye use sade no the a training teacher for because you will say basic school and basic school no so our horse say sana ye use e dey ye say one day ni afọ mu nyina akogu ba bi see a kire omo no to say no ye nya ne sa
but more involve private schools
in this private schools ni nyina eka ho a omo ye ba hu say private schools no ba bi a challenge no one ye say omo no ye private business oriented they do baby on my na proprietors no new proprietors na ya no mo interest no e wo ho no say omo be say you know do baby ya na drink continue say you be share ho no so ya come all right
into new curriculum na there you're rolling it out
okay I form 1 no omo na say omo wo nti omo mo be koi no na second batch nti say no form 2 wo ho no mo no wie by next year na old one atwam na say omo mo ni nyina ye new one for
Nhyira Nhyira Harry or say Boatin PRO for Ghana Education Service Ashanti Region Education Community ubesi mu a okọ back na video no a ye di new curriculum ne ho nkomo awie na ye de yense mo haye e de to ne so nti my number bi obi be frɛ na afi
as obi person frɛ me ankasa my number there 020 14 89 and 703
so this will be my
020 14 89 703
Ira Boatin Dasia no thank you very much Ira Henry Boatin aboy pa ye nyame enhira no na wanya abotre timi atia wofo no consensus nyina I believe say wonso wanya munti ase kakra openi kase baako abedru aha na na kodjoja nto ane na betwetwe nkomo na papa yi Kumasi commander ankasa uni abedu uni dano benam krum na ve adra afu ase ya bo press will be enwane na mse aniama bo sori amu age kwan nyina aboso na na kodjoja ntoa ba na eja woni Yewura Zuba abetwetwe nkomo nyame nhia no obo adwuma pa obo adwuma bitwa me ho aba na kodjoja ntoa trase
Twanto aka nokre